It might not look like much, but this bund that I'm stood on is actually the culmination of 2 years of work, most of that research and planning. And it's been a real journey. We've put down 19 boreholes, 92 dip wells, loads of stage boards to try and understand how the surface water, the groundwater, the ditches and the surrounding rivers are all interacting to comprise the hydrology of this site, and to make sure that the interventions we do are really going to be impactful and really make a difference for nature and climate on this site. So what we've been doing in the past few weeks in constructing the bund that I'm standing on is working with our principal contractor to dig a trench and to excavate the bedrock, which on this part of the site is chalk marl, sometimes called putty chalk. And so what we've been doing is digging down, exposing that chalk marl, and then bringing it up to the surface. And the reason we're doing that is we're trying to create a seal that stops the flow of groundwater through the peat and sand that sits above it. And in the process, we've also been trying to destroy and block any land drains that had been put in, all of which were contributing to the flow of water out of this area. It's only actually sitting about half a metre above ground level, and very quickly, I think next summer, the vegetation's going to come in and colonise it, and you almost won't know that it's there. But we'll see the impact as we start to see the groundwater rise and that bit of the peatland being re-wetted.